In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create repeating tasks in Microsoft To Do. Repeating tasks are perfect for routines like paying bills, submitting reports, or watering plants. The idea is simple. Set a schedule once and let Microsoft To Do handle the ongoing reminders so you don't have to remember every single occurrence. First, open Microsoft To Do in your browser or on the desktop or mobile app. You'll land in a list such as My Day or one of your own lists. Any list will work for repeating tasks, so use whichever one fits your workflow best. Next, either create a new task or select an existing one you want to repeat. If you're creating a new task, give it a clear name so future occurrences are easy to recognize. For example, submit weekly status report is more helpful than just report. Click the task to open its detail view. This is where you manage scheduling. Start by adding a due date. The due date sets the anchor for your repeating pattern, so pick the day you want the first occurrence to happen. Once you've chosen the date, select repeat. This ties the schedule to your chosen due date. You'll see several predefined options. Daily is great for habits you perform every day. Weekdays sets the task for Monday through Friday, which is ideal for work routines. Weekly repeats the task every week on the same weekday you selected as the due date. Monthly repeats it on the same date each month, and yearly is handy for anniversaries or annual renewals. If none of those fit exactly, choose custom. Here you can fine-tune the schedule. For example, set it to repeat every 2 weeks, or pick specific days of the week like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is especially useful when your routine doesn't match the simple presets. After saving your selection, your task will now repeat automatically. When you mark a repeating task as complete, To Do will immediately create the next instance based on your schedule. If you ever need to adjust the pattern, open the task's details again, change the due date or the repeat settings, and your future occurrences will follow the new rules. A quick tip for clarity: the date you choose at the start determines when the first instance appears, so set that carefully. Also, if you like to keep your today view tidy, complete the task on the day it's due so the next occurrence rolls forward right away. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've turned a one off task into a reliable routine in Microsoft To Do.